And as someone who was active in your youth in Shomer, could you talk about your experiences of the founding of the State of Israel?
Oh, yes, of course. We danced in the streets in the Shomer. We were very, very excited about it. My mother, our family was excited, and of course Harry Truman was was held up as, even though he just said some American remarks, but he came through in the end, and yes, that was a very, very joyous time. And relatives of ours in Israel had a child that year. They were named Noga to celebrate the greatness of it's a great burst of light, and it was very big in our family. And my son was bar mitzvahed in Israel, so of course we visited all the meaningful places in Yad Vashem, and it was painful. That part's very painful to this day.